how you doing, guys? Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim, I'm from TheMonkeys. I'm just at the front of the Away by Chamakila Hotel in Legian and going now to show you area of this part of Legian, Malapantai, going to 66 area. Also gonna show you a little bit of the bars what are here, because they are definitely there are some of them they are open already, and definitely I can see already more foreigner tourists around, so that's very positive vibes, guys. Actually, I can see so many foreigners right now at this point in Legian. Actually quite a lot, I could say. That's very good change, guys. Alright, guys, I'm just at the front of the Jayakarta Hotel here in Legian still, and there are some bars open. A lot of aunties massage here. Actually, hello. Yeah, drink, brother. Thank you, brother. And yeah, definitely much better. Also here seems like somebody newcomer is over there. So you ask me, you have it, guys. I'm gonna go more into Seminyak direction now. Guys, do you remember when last few months ago we used to talk with Winnie here as the was totally closed, everything? Now it's open again. Yo, yo, yo. Kumalapantai Hotel just at the front. Some people around the sandbar. I'm gonna go now to the beach, show you guys around. Whoa, check this out. It also seems quite busy over here. This is the area actually where are so many boxer sellers, and somebody asked me here to show you some bars, but I don't remember the names of the bars, so I'm gonna show you all of them. These are definitely some new people in the beach bar, Aussie's bar actually. So here we go, even they making the massage and stuff like this, and people coming and coming everywhere around. It's definitely getting busier and busier each week I'm here, guys. All right, so here in Aussie bar, some people definitely. This is the Aussie's bar, and also here there are some people around and everywhere, and here and here and here. So if you're gonna walk 360-degree everywhere around, definitely you're gonna find the tourists right now. So that's definitely optimistic vibes, guys. Here we go, guys. Pavilion. Seems the traffic, people coming to the bar. Actually, so many foreigners inside the bar. Check this out. Little shot. So they watching sports, as somebody said, and it's getting busy and busy. Pavilion, guys. And also here, lady waiting, and the street situation is getting definitely busier now. This brother wanted to having a picture with me.
Bro,
so here
my bro.
My bro.
Brother.
All right. Good luck, brother. Okay. Take care. And yeah, it's definitely busy and busy. I was here like 2 weeks ago. That was not as that busy, but now it's definitely much busier right now, guys. That's for sure, 100%. You can see that on every single corner. Like for example, right now. So guys, seriously, like when I'm working right now and I see the changes as everything is getting slowly, but it's getting better and better, it's busier and busier. I remember like just literally a few days before my birthday last year, everything was shut down here. It was like a lockdown, totally. You couldn't even enter to the beach, completely zero. And right now, well, almost, well, like 9 months later, everything come back to any kind of better times. It's so optimistic, guys, that's for sure. You can comment below if you feel the same what I feel right now. And of course, you may say, as this is still not open, like it's not really busy like it used to be, like 100%. Of course not, it's gonna take a month, but definitely it's better than it was even 2 months ago, even 1 month ago, even 2 weeks ago. Also, there is quite a lot of local Indonesian people around, coming and mix, and well, this is the entrance to the Legian Beach, 66 Beach actually, the main gate, and I'm heading now into the 66 area, guys. All right, little situation just next to Indigo Hotel, just behind the 66 Point, 66 Beach. Some local people, and also behind, of course, famous place, always busy over there. So, all right, little street situation just at the front of La Plancha. By the street is more local vibe, people drinking here something. There's a lot of loud live music over there. There's some guy, and there is La Plancha, obviously. Always busy in La Plancha, guys. That's nothing never ever changed here. Also, that's the difference. There are some foreigners sitting there. Hello. It's just a little bit like a Very nice vibe, very colorful place. It's also not as that busy as I was expecting maybe, but it's definitely busy. And the horses over there again. Yeah, what's up? Doggos playing. Doggos playing. Beautiful sunset. Horses there. And the vibes of the La Plancha Seminyak, guys. If you're interested ever to come here, that's where gonna look like this one, guys. This is also probably one of the best areas in Seminyak to watching sunsets, guys, while drinking and, well, just enjoying chilling, guys, around. Check this out, I'm gonna show you from the different perspective. So many ladies also trying to sell you something. A beautiful sunset's gonna be today, guys, for sure. We just met the lovely guy on the motorbike. I had the high five, but I didn't record at this moment. I feel so ashamed. It was actually a lovely shot. Anyway, it's getting very busy, and this is the area of Gado Gado behind me. Very loud music, but seems like almost full house. Half hour to the sunset, and also on the other side, on the local bars, there are some people. There are also so many foreigners right now. Check this out, Gado Gado. Quite busy, quite many people everywhere sitting around, especially beachfront. Mostly first tables are taken by the foreigners, guys. That's so nice. This is the local warung. Also quite many people chilling around, and also there so many warungs. Also so many people, guys, around. That's so cool to see like that, guys. Oh, look at this lovely little doggo. Hello. Oh, another one. So cool. Always cool to be. That's for sure. And anyway, somebody said, why in Bali so many dogs? Well, people in Bali love dogs, what I can say. Also, here is the lovely spot to see as so many foreign tourists come back. Here we go, guys. That's really so good to see that. It's getting busier and busier, that's for sure. I think I said already many times today. Just because I said so many times this is getting better and better, because it's due. I hope so you agree with me. Slowly but sure. That's for sure. Beautiful sunset is gonna be, it's just behind me. I hope so you can see, because I'm facing camera just to the sunset. So it's quite hard. Okay, one more time I'm gonna tell you the proof is definitely, when last time you see just behind me like 6 people who are like me, foreigner. So that's means so many tourists come back. I think I'm a little bit overexcited, so I think I will finish today's vlog. I hope so you enjoy. I'm gonna come back home. And as always, I will see you tomorrow on the next one. See ya. Take care, guys.